This is the coolest slime ever! Dun dun dun! Hi, today we are making glow-in-the-dark slime, and first we are going to dump our glow-in-the-dark glue into our bowl. I love it, Mom! Dude. It's so fat when it comes out. Hey, come out, come out, come out. Now we are going to dump our baking soda into our slime. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of contact solution. Can I mix it now? Yeah. It got on my spoon. Ugh. This is hard because it's slime and slime is slime. And slime is sticky most of the time. It's slime. This is fun playing with slime. This is fun. Yeah. Oh, sticky, sticky, sticky. And it's super easy to get off. Sticky, sticky. I hear bubbles. This is hi. You said hi instead of bye. Now it's glowing. With my mustache on. I'm gonna make a mustache. And a beard. I'm making a beard and a mustache. This is my beard and a mustache. Did you know sometimes beard and mustache are connected?